5 tips to kickstart your small business and start making money. Starting a small business is exciting, but it's natural to wonder how to turn your passion project into a profitable venture. Here are 5 essential tips to help you get started. Know your market inside out. Identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? Understanding their needs, preferences, and pain points will help you tailor your offerings. Competitive analysis. Research your competitors to see what they're doing well and where there are opportunities for you to differentiate. Unique selling proposition. USP. What sets your business apart? Highlight what makes your products or services unique and valuable. Create a solid business plan. Financial projections. Outline your startup costs, revenue projections, and a realistic budget. Marketing strategy. Develop a plan to reach your target audience effectively, whether through social media, email, marketing, or traditional advertising. Operational plan. Detail how you'll manage day-to-day operations, including inventory, staffing, and customer service. Build a strong online presence. Website. Create a professional website that's easy to navigate and showcases your offerings. Social media. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to connect with your audience and share valuable content. SEO. Optimize your website for search engines to attract organic traffic. Prioritize customer experience. Excellent service. Go the extra mile to provide exceptional customer service. Feedback. Actively seek and implement customer feedback to improve your offerings. Loyalty programs. Reward repeat customers to encourage loyalty and word-of-mouth referrals. Network. Industry events. Attend conferences, workshops, and networking events to connect with potential clients and partners. Online communities. Participate in relevant online forums and groups to build relationships and share knowledge. Collaborations. Consider partnering with complementary businesses to cross-promote each other's offerings. Remember, building a successful business takes time and effort. Stay focused, be patient, and don't be afraid to adapt to changing market conditions. With dedication and these tips, you can turn your small business dream into a reality.